Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to upscale the 1080p video to 4K in Adobe Premiere Pro, that too using the inbuilt effects. So let's start. As you can see here, this is a video of 1920 by 1080 30 frames per second. I'm going to convert this into 4K. So first you need to drag and drop this to the timeline so that the automatic sequence is created. Next, you need to change the sequence settings. For this, go to the top side and click sequence, then sequence settings. This window will be opened. Here, change the frame size and width 3840 by 2160. This is for 4K format. If in case you want any other formats, you can check online. You will know it very easily. Then click on OK. A warning will be shown like this. Click OK so that the new sequence is created. As you can see here, since we changed the sequence settings, the video framing is also differs. So to make this video occupy entire this 4K frame, go to the effect controls and change the scale to 200. If in case your video is not exactly 1920 by 1080, you can use one more option. Select the clip, right click, and from the options select fit to frame so that it actually fits to the frame. If in case any adjustments you want, you can do it by going to the effect controls. But there is a problem. The problem is the video is not that sharp. So we need to add a little bit of sharpness to the video. To do that, go to the effects panel and search for sharpen. This is the option. Drag and drop this to the clip. Now again go to the effect controls, scroll down, you can see this option sharpen. Come to the sharpness, you can increase as much as you want. I'm making it as 25 for this. Even you can change according to your needs. That's it guys. This is how you can upscale the 1080p video to 4K in Adobe Premiere Pro using the inbuilt effects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more tips videos like this and YouTube growth related content.